Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a red smoky eye. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the Sigma Beauty Fill and Blend Brow Pencil in the shade Medium. As always, I'm just trying to give myself a bit more of an arch and fill in any sparse areas.
But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on.
After brushing through the hairs with the spoolie end of the pencil, I'm cleaning up the lower edge of the brow with the Plouise base in shade 0.5. This really helps to get that defined shape and cover any hairs that grow outside of the shape I created. Next, I'm tapping the Plouise base onto the eyelids to act as my eyeshadow primer and setting my brows in place with the Sigma Tint and Tame Clear Brow Gel. What's great about the Plouise base is that it doesn't need to be set in place with the powder, so I can go right in and apply my eyeshadow. I'm starting with eyeshadow first, not only because I prefer to do my makeup this way, but also because I'm creating a smoky eye and they can be very messy. I'm using the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette and picking up the matte red shade called Rogue and placing this all over my lid. I'm packing this on rather than swiping in order to achieve an opaque color payoff. Now that I have a good starting point, I can begin blending. I'm taking a little bit of the matte beige shade called Toasty and blending this around the edge of the red using circular motions. I'm also taking that same brush and pulling the red out towards the tail of the brow to achieve a more blown out look. Next, I'm adding the Sigma Gel Liner in Wicked to my lash line using the Sigma E65 brush, and then I'm smudging it out with the MORPHE M506 brush.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane.
Once that's blended out, I'm going over it with the matte black shade called Jet from the Urban Decay Born to Run palette to set it in place, and I'm also dragging a little bit of that upwards onto the lid to darken the red in that area. After that, I'm going back to the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette and taking the Champagne Shimmer shade called Beaming and sweeping that into the inner corner of the eye. Now it's time for the face makeup. First, I'm priming with the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer, and then I'm pouncing on the Stay Naked foundation in the shade 20 in using a damp beauty blender.
Better off, better off. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cut.
For concealer, I'm applying the Stay Naked concealer in the same shade underneath my eyes and also to the center of my face to highlight those areas.
We're a perfect match, pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, cause together, better off, and we can.
After blending that out with a damp beauty blender, I'm setting it in place by pressing the Urban Decay Ultimate Brush Off Powder underneath my eyes using a damp Real Technique sponge. Next, I'm adding a bit of luminosity to the skin by tapping on some cream highlighter. This is the Brilliant Shimmer Cream by Sigma Beauty. Now I'm contouring with the bronzer shade from the Urban Decay Stay Naked Threesome palette, and I'm using some translucent powder to clean up and sharpen the contour in the hollows of my cheeks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
I'm letting the powder bake in that spot while I contour the nose using the Morphe JH33 brush, and then I'm sweeping away the excess powder with the JH01 brush.
Any other way, if we're knocked out,
For highlighter, I'm using the Sigma Beauty Chroma Glow palette in the shade Peaceful, and for blush, I'm using the Aura Face Powder in the shade Nymphaea. Then, I'm just adding some of that highlighter to the inner corner of the eyes and setting everything in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. To finish up the eyes, I'm applying the Longwear eyeliner pencil to the waterline and dipping into that red shade we used previously and using that to smudge out the eyeliner with the Morphe JH38 brush.
Better off, better off. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cuts.
Next, I'm trying out the new Lash Freak Mascara by Urban Decay. First, I'm using the brush to volumize, then I'm using the tip to define, and finally, I'm using the curved side to lift the lashes. The mascara seems pretty good, but of course I can never go without falsies, so I'm going ahead and applying the On Fleek Box Lashes in the style Icy. Next, I'm tightlining with that Sigma eyeliner pencil and adding mascara to my bottom lashes, and I must say I do find that the mascara works very well in defining the lashes here. Finally, for lips, I'm first lining my lips with the Illamasqua lip liner in Raw, and then I'm applying the Sigma Beauty lip gloss in Cor-de-Rosa. And that completes this red smoky eye. Feel free to use my discount code TheTaylorCherie for 10% off your purchase at SigmaBeauty.com. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.